everyone.
Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
Everyone.
We changed the date for our recording, and as all of y'all can see, we are out and about. We're in a gorgeous home in Lakewood. This is our first time previewing home in person, and first time we see each other in person, right?
Well, in a long time.
In a long time, yes, absolutely. So, Adam, do you want to start with your update on what's happening with mortgage?
So right now we have seen an influx of pre-approvals. Right now, per Mortgage News, they're stating that we have hit an 11-year high on pre-approvals. So there's a lot of people looking for homes right now. I think a lot of people are under the illusion that they're waiting for prices to drop. But really, the only way prices drop is if people are unable to compete for a home. So in this instance, I believe that prices are going to maintain, if not increase, because we have a lot of people looking for homes. So yeah, I mean, especially at this price point, which we haven't told you what the price point is yet, but we will soon enough. So meanwhile, what's the updates on this area specifically?
We actually haven't seen any price decrease ever since we've been putting out the market update, and the data in April and May still didn't show any price decrease, even though the volume of sales fluctuated, as everybody can understand. And I think the housing market is also feeling the positive impact of the overall recovery of the economy because of the gradual reopening. So there's still a lot of unknown, and nobody actually knows the long-term impact of the economic shutdown during the COVID-19, and we're still in it. We're not clear yet.
Nope.
However, there are sayings price will go down and price will go up. No major price change though. That means the price won't decrease by 10% or more than 10%, not likely to increase by more than 10% or 10% either. One trend is still continuing. There are more buyers out looking. So if you're considering putting your home on the market, it is really a good time. And buyers, it's still a good time because of the all-time low interest rate. So let's take a quick peek of this home, shall we?
Yep, sounds good.
Here we go. So this is a fully remodeled home. Open concept, kitchen, living space, and the dining area. There are 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom with closet with the closet organizer, hallway bathroom, and the second bedroom in the heart of Lakewood, very close to Lakewood Mall, very close to Mayfair Park. So Adam, what do you think? How much do you think this home could be?
Oh my goodness. So we're in the Lakewood area. If I'm not mistaken, per our video and walkthrough, I think we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So I'm guessing right around the 560 to 585 range is what I'm guessing.
Okay. We actually going to do part 1 and part 2 this time, and in part 2 we will actually share with everyone how much this home is and let us know what you think the price should be. So Adam, for a new buyer, in order to buy this home, what should they do?
So the standard thing that we need to do is evaluate what your current situation is. Most people tend to believe, and I think we spoke about this before, was they tend to believe they need to come in with 20% in order to purchase a home, which is absolutely not true. We're actually able to do as little as 0% down, as weird as that is, right? Because we have our down payment assistance programs. But typically at this price point, we're looking at 5%, if it is above the loan amount above the 510 400 mark. So obviously we want to do a full analysis of your financial situation in order to make sure that though you may qualify for it, to make sure it's the right situation for you, for your family growth and so on and so forth. So we would definitely go and evaluate all of your financial documents. We would see what feels comfortable for you as far as monthly payments, and then we would run credit and actually see what you're pre-approved for. So it's not crazy complicated. We don't necessarily need to run credit initially to do your evaluation, but it's always good to know exactly where we stand when we're looking at homes. And it doesn't start today, it actually started before today, right? If you're looking to buy today, that means you waited too long. We need to talk to a lender, a qualified lender who understands what your needs are, not their own personal, but your needs, to determine what's best or help you with multiple options for you to make the decision.
So the tax filing is extended to July 15th. If I haven't done my tax for 2019, can I still apply for loan at this moment?
You can still apply, but I will absolutely tell you that it will be a requirement that we will have completed 2019 tax returns by that time. Right?
Okay.
Because most transactions right now, I believe today's the 17th. 17th? No, 15th.
Today is 17th actually. 17th.
Today is the 17th. Okay.
It is 17th.
So right now, most loans are closing out in about 30 days. So obviously that means in order to close, we're going to have that tax return to close it all out. So I would probably handle that now. I don't think there's anything holding us back at this point. We had an extra 3 months to knock it out. So we should be fine with that. But that doesn't mean that you don't start talking to your lender. I would immediately start talking to them and make sure that the conversation is brought up on where you're at financially. That will definitely help determine how soon you have to get your tax returns done.
So this is Market Update Part 1. In Part 2, we're coming back to this gorgeous home again to show the backyard. We will also share the asking price of this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom Lakewood home.
And we're also going to be able to share what the actual payments and the low down payment it requires in this specific area. So looking forward to talking to you guys shortly.
Excellent. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.